Ready to get strong and fit fast? Try the tread and tone trend, combining treadmill intervals with dumbbell exercises for a complete workout in less time. Tread and tone mixes short bursts of treadmill, walking, jogging, or running with off belt dumbbell moves, squats, presses, rows, or curls. You alternate between cardio and strength, using the best of both worlds. Start with a 5-minute brisk walk or jog on the treadmill. Hop up. Do 15 to 20 squats with dumbbells, then 15 to 20 overhead presses. Back on the treadmill, 3 minutes at higher speed or incline. Repeat with 12 walking lunges per leg, 12 biceps curls, and a 2-minute fast walk to recover. Finish with push-ups or planks off treadmill. Cool down for 4-5 minutes. You burn more calories by mixing cardio and strength. Build muscle, boost heart health, improve coordination, and see faster results. Efficient. Gets all in one workout for busy days. Proven to burn fat longer after exercise. Pick dumbbells that challenge but let you keep good form. Keep movement safe. Step off treadmill before lifting. Try different combos or superset moves for variety. Ready to transform your training? Like and share your tread and tone ideas below